welcome to my channel Hobbies Finder with another new episode. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell button as well, because whenever I will upload a new video, you will get a notification. If you like my videos, please do like and share. So without wasting much time, let's start the video. So for starting drawing mandala, initially we need a rolling copy. We don't have to spend much money, but I would suggest, if you are a beginner, start with the pencil, so that if you make any mistake you can erase and draw again. And now we are drawing the perpendicular line. As you can see, I have drawn all this perpendicular line because to start the drawing, initially we need we have to draw within this square, and make sure that your drawing falls within the square. The design which you are making, it should fall within the square box. Again I am drawing one more design within the square box. So once you draw and get your desired design, so now after that you can trace it with the help of a pen. So using the same designs, I will be showing a border where how to place these designs, and it will look beautiful and you will get a good mandala art. After tracing it with pen, erase the pencil line so that your art looks very neat and clean. This is how the final design will look like. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like and share. and see you soon on my next video, upcoming video with another few set of designs. Until then, bye, take care and stay connected.